Do you like those bears? Oh boy! He loves his bears. He's such a good boy. Yes. He's so happy. Good boy. Got his little bears. Yay! Icon. That's a good name. Icon. Get the squeaky. Where's the squeaky at? Oh boy. Oh. Oh, you're big. I think we're going to have to move furniture. I think we're going to have to move some furniture. Kill it. Kill it. Is it dead? Is it dead? Is the bear dead?
Oh boy, okay. He loves me, huh?
Oh boy. Oh.
They're all yours.
We got hundreds more. You can't have those in your kennel, though. You can have the doggy ones in your kennel. It's funny, the one, like, flipped off his bed, and it was out of reach, and he's like, he finally had to get up.
No, I get it. Here. You take it.
Let me see.
Are you happy now? I'm cool.
There you go. Watch the toys.
Huh?
Watch the toys with the kids.
Oh.
The same.
Oh, my phone's ringing.